Hello everyone, my name is Sai Prasad Hireka and I'm a model cum biker. Also, I'm a team lead in Wipro office, and in my previous video I said that I'm traveling for Ladakh and it's a trip of 10 days. So for going for 10 days you need to carry lot many things. So first and the foremost important thing is your clothing. I'm carrying altogether 3 to 4 pairs of half and t-shirts, 3 casual shirts and 3 sweaters. And then lower things what I'm carrying are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of jeans, 1 track and 2 shorts. So the second most important thing which I said in my previous video was the cosmetics and how you take care of your skin. So things which I'm carrying are sunscreen lotion with SPF 30. I'm carrying a mask, also a sanitizer. I'm carrying a face mask which is having charcoal with it. Again, a small face wash to carry inside a jacket. Nivea cream, then followed by shampoos. And I have a habit of using perfumes. I'm carrying a perfume. Nivea body lotion, handkerchief. Along with that, again a face wash, same thing, same brand. Along with it has a scrub in it. Sanitizer and cap, sunglasses, face cream and wax. I have a habit of using wax to my face. The next important thing is toiletries. I'm carrying brush, comb, toothbrush, Surf Excel. This is very important, guys. Tissue papers, what do you say? Wet papers, wet wipes. I'm carrying 2 pairs of it because in Ladakh it is going to be costing more for you. And paper soaps, tongue cleaner, Vaseline, lip balm, soap, hand towel and body towel. So guys, the next important thing is food items. And in my previous video I said that you have to carry dry fruits, energy bars, chocolates, energy biscuits, as well as you need to carry Maggies, a lot of Maggies which can be prepared with hot waters, and you can carry a little bit of fruits with you. So these are the things which I cannot show you right now because whenever I'm going to travel one day before, I'm going to keep in my bag. So the next important thing is medical kit. As I told you in my previous video, what are the things I'm carrying? A Diamox tablet, headache tablets, stomachache tablets and all those things. So these are the tablets which I'm carrying. This is an energy tablet, this is a loose motions tablet, this is headache tablet, inhaler, Divya Dhara, Band-Aids. I'm also carrying Strepsils. Again, a body pain killer. And along with this, I'm carrying a first aid kit. This is a cotton. Again, this is a thing which can be carried, which can be cotton, kind of a different cotton. Savlon, oiling, Eno, painkiller bomb. So the next important thing is electronic items. So firstly, I purchased a new phone, Redmi Note 8 Pro, which I'm using for this particular ride. and I'm carrying my large charger and a memory card, OTP device, OTP connector. Along with this, I'm carrying a headphone. This is my DSLR charger. I'm carrying DSLR 18 to 135 mm lens, and also I'm carrying 50 mm lens, and my DSLR is 77D, so which I'm right now shooting. I cannot show you that, so it is at the back side. So the next essential thing is carrying your bike documents and originals along with you. 2 originals and 20 back photocopies of it, and must carry documents I listed in the previous video. So this is a file which I kept all my stuff in it, and also apart from this you need to carry a lot of cash in you. So I'm carrying as of now like 2,000 in my pocket, but when I'm riding, so I'll definitely carry the 30,000 to 40,000 in my pocket. So the next important thing, what is important, is phone connectivity, and I'm carrying Airtel postpaid SIM, and Bongi cards also I'm carrying, because it will be helpful for me to tying up the luggage as well as drying up my clothes. So the next important thing is your sleeping items. First and the foremost important thing is your yoga mat. I'm carrying this yoga mat and a lightweight blanket. Along with that, you need to carry a air pillow. Few of the other essential things with what I'm carrying are riding gears and other accessories. So first and the foremost important thing is my bag. It's a sky bag, and it is having a weight of 45 liters capacity, and along with it, it has a rain cover. And also you need to carry a rain coat along with you. And this is my helmet, what I'm carrying for this ride. Muffler, Royal Enfield toolkit, water bottle, preferably not a plastic one, because in Ladakh plastic is banned. So carry Milton water bottles too. And these are the accessories what I'm carrying. Few lockets and handbags and everything. So hand gloves, I'm carrying 2 pairs of hand gloves. One is fully covered, and other one is like half covered. And inside it I will be wearing a thermal woolen cap. And this is another type of cap. It can be used for your neckband, your head, and everywhere. This is very important, guys. Knee guard and elbow guard. So it is preferably suggested to carry all the time whenever you're going for any kind of rides, because it's a safety protection. 3 pairs of socks, what I'm carrying, because it might rain at any point of time, and so it will be useful. So finally, this is the riding gear what I'm carrying. A jacket of Zeus brand. So I will wear it completely and show you when I'm riding. Two plastic bottles for water as well as petrol. This spray kind of a thing, it can be loaded with water, and whenever you are feeling drowsy or sleepy, you can just sprinkle water on your face. I'm carrying 2 pairs of new shoes, Fila brand. And the next brand is, I'm carrying Puma's sports shoes. This is how it looks. So thank you guys. I've listed everything in my video, and hopefully this is gonna help for you guys. And after I complete my Ladakh trip, I'll add few more videos for this particular trip, as well as I'll show you my bike. How did I did modifications for this trip, and after packing my Ladakh trip's luggage, I'll even show you that also. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.
So this is my bike modification. I have applied the Ladakh carrier and also indoor silencer. Along with it, I have applied mobile charger and fog lights.
My hobby is riding vehicle, and I was supposed to visit Ladakh, but coronavirus got postponed, and now I'm doing small rides within the city and outskirts. And also I'm following SMS. Wearing mask, maintaining social distancing, and sanitizing your hands. And guys, what I want to suggest is, yes, you can live your life when it is like this kind of situation. Make sure that you are following everything which has been said by the government, and you are living your life also. That is very important. And thanks for watching my video. You have a good day. Bye bye.